That's shaping up so far. There's a non-rivalry amongst the females.
I don't think it's gonna happen. I think there will always be rivalry, to be honest. I think there will always be rivalry.
Do you think you're now in a forced alliance with him because of this thing?
Forced alliance?
Like you have to be loyal to him?
I don't think I have to be loyal. I'll be loyal to him because I want to be, not because he picked me.
So guys, let's talk about the just concluded eviction show. Were you surprised not seeing new housemates? Guys, I was. I also understand that Biggie is a player. Biggie wants to play the viewers and play the housemates, because most of them were also expecting to see new housemates. I think they will still have new housemates, but not when we are expecting them to come in. They have a new twist. The PMP, pardon me please, quite interesting. They have two new twists. The first one, Biggie said the usual way of nominating housemates has been changed.